I got some deliveries, and this time it is from GENGS Shop. GENGS Shop offers an all-natural and homemade spicy pork with hipon. And since this is all-natural, wala siya food coloring, freshly made, and of course kung ganahan gali kag mashap, pwede ra sa tsukag mo request. You can have a 200-gram bottle of this for 110 pesos, but if ever mo palit mo og lima, so that would be around 1 kilo of spicy pork with hipon para sa inyong saging, camote, mangga, ug bisan sa inyong rice. That would be 500 pesos for 5 bottles. And to order, you may just message the official social media accounts. And for that, mga onita guys, unahon yun din ako with the nilungag na saging. Grabe ka lami. Lami sa gali siya on its own lang. And now sa kamote na punta. Ika-perfect yun with the kamote. Murag mahurot naman ako sa nagkalitronoy. Pero well, try sa dato with the mangga. Kanigit perfect. Hipon plus mangga. So waya nato. Perfect labaw na gipagkaha, pero why pagkukunwari oy lami gyud ni siya with rice ani ana. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me on my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.